Hey there, sleep enthusiasts. Wondering how to keep your sleep sanctuary at its best? This week, I'm diving into the essential guide on how to wash a purple mattress protector. Maintaining your purple mattress protector not only ensures a clean and fresh sleeping environment, but also extends its longevity and effect. Ready to bring that pristine vibe back into your bedroom? Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your material. Before tossing your mattress protector into the wash, gather a few essentials. You'll need mild detergent, cool or lukewarm water, and a washing machine with gentle cycle settings. Avoid harsh cleaners or bleach, as these can damage the materials and affect the protector's performance. A sponge and towel might come in handy if you intend to pre-treat any spots or spills. Got everything ready? Let's move to the next step. Step 2. Check the care instruction. A crucial step in washing any product, especially specialized bedding like the purple mattress protector, is reviewing the care instructions provided by the manufacturer. These instructions offer insights into specific washing temperature limits or deterring the use of any particular cleaning agent. If you've misplaced the original packaging or tags, you can always visit the Purple website for guidance or maintenance. Step 3. Pre-treat stains and spills. If your protector has endured a few spills or unsightly stains, it's crucial to tackle them beforehand. Gently blot any liquid using a clean, damp cloth to absorb moisture. For stains, apply a small amount of mild detergent directly on the spot. Let it sit for a few minutes, then use a sponge or soft bristled brush to gently scrub the area. Finish by dabbing with a clean towel before proceeding to machine wash. Step 4. Wash the protector. Time for some real action. Place your purple mattress protector in the washing machine. Set the machine to a gentle cycle with cool or lukewarm water. Pour in your mild detergent, ensuring you stick to the recommended amount to prevent detergent buildup. This method helps maintain the integrity of the protector's material and keeps it functioning optimally for a longer period. Step 5. Dry with care. Once the wash cycle is complete, gently remove the protector from the washing machine. To dry, you have two options. Either air dry the protector by laying it flat on a clean surface, or you can tumble dry on low heat. Avoid high heat settings, which can shrink or damage the material. Make sure the protector is entirely dry before placing it back on your mattress to prevent any mold or mildew from forming. Step 6. Reapply and enjoy. Once your purple mattress protector is clean and fully dry, reapply it onto your mattress. Ensure that it fits snugly and smoothly over your bed, ready to provide a protective layer between your sleep space and the heavily trafficked world. Congratulations! You've mastered how to wash a purple mattress protector. Remember, keeping your bedding in pristine condition doesn't have to be a chore. Regular care ensures your sleeping environment remains fresh, clean, and inviting. By following these steps, you can enhance your purple mattress protector's lifespan and continue enjoying the cozy and restful nights we all crave. Sweet dreams. See you next time.